record in this computer. So now all our IDs got locked. Samsung.sem is my, sorry, I'm in wrong place. I need to be user. I need to be user. Okay, so here we can go and search with Samsung.sem. This is my user. See, here locked is yes. Yesterday, one of my student, I told, by my ID got locked. So, okay, Anna, he said he went and reset my password. Okay, he reset my password. Let me reset with Apple. Again, it won't take. I will take welcome at the rate 1 W capital. Okay, reset. He did this activity yesterday, but he didn't unlock my ID. That is a problem. For unlock, you need to be in edit, then locked, you need to remove it. Save and close. Then you are able to log in. That he missed it. Okay, done. So now we have one more user, right? That is ram.sem. All got locked up. You can say, oh, it is not locked. So ram.sem can able to log in. Ram.sem can able to log in. It's not locked. In case any password issues, then we need to check. Let me log in with ram.sem. Pro. Ram, what is your username?
Yes, Subbu, I just checked it.
Oh, that is yours. Okay.
Yes.
Oh, you are working for this YX. I
Yeah,
yesterday I
yeah.
put
Yes.
someone I put that project.
Oh. Okay.
What you used to make that self kiosk is manufacturing?
Actually, the mostly for software and some other
Yeah, self kiosk, no?
self checkout and
Yeah,
kiosk and
yeah.
display printer
Correct,
scan.
correct. Correct. That's what. That's what.
Yeah.
I was working in similar project, so I was search for the competitor, and
Okay.
I use that password for my one of my student resume. So that's
Okay.
why I immediately recollecting
Okay.
scm.ram. Password will be pill@123. Okay. So I need to reset RAM password. So they updated passwords, it looks. I'm changing to welcome@123. This happens, guys, in real time also. Every quarter, we do quarterly patch analysis. That time, they will, all our updates, user IDs will get updated. I mean, passwords. Next one we have Krishnan.Pawan. Okay, I'm updating Pawan Krishna also. Reset, it is not locked. Because if you try 5 times wrong password, you will get locked. Remember, if you try 5 times, the system is saying it's a wrong password. You are trying again, then 5 times if you press, your ID get locked. So then you need to reach system administrator team to get unlock your password. Okay, now I reset all our password. Let me reset our friend's password as well. So you created 3 users. Okay, very good.
Yes, Subbu.
All I'm going to create welcome@123 W capital. Okay.
Okay.
Yours also locked, you see. Yours also locked because you tried multiple times. You tried multiple times to log in with this user ID.
Welcome at 123, right?
Yeah, welcome at the rate 123 W capital.
Okay.
Who is Kaushik? Many people are joining. Kaushik? Oh, our Kaushik. Okay, I got it. This is not locked, okay?
Yes.
Server not locked. So guys, you also try to log in. Whoever not able to log in, give me your username. I will reset your passwords. So whoever not sharing, I am assuming that you are not practicing. If you don't practice, there is no use. You will be always troubled on someone else. I mean, depends on someone else once you get job. Okay, you all done. You can try Ram. You can try and see whether you are able to log in or not.
Okay, Subbu.
The next Aditya.scm. This is not locked. Okay. Welcome. Welcome at the rate 123 W capital. Remember, Kishore. Okay. Next, Aditya. Shiva. I am keeping welcome at the rate 123 password. It's not locked. Welcome at the rate 123. Reset password. Done. Next, Shiva.scm. So first time you can practice the way which I am going, but next you can explore. Okay. Welcome 3 1 2 3. Welcome 3 1 2 3. Reset password. Kishore.babu.
Yesterday I didn't log in. Can you please check it whether it is enabled or locked?
If you're not logging, it won't locked. Unless
Yeah.
unless you 5 times press wrong password, then it will be locked. Okay, but still our username passwords got updated. I am resetting a password with welcome at the rate 123 W capital.
Okay. Thank you.
So you try login and see people who are reset. Okay, you are able to log in or not. Same password. The welcome at the rate 123. Don't use my ID. Kaushik, you create yours. Spend more time, bro. Ignore Instagram and Facebook for some time. Kaushik, okay? If you use my ID, then I have a problem. Okay, that is my ID, don't touch. I used to do many things. Ganesh don't do. So now remaining people reach Ramu. Ram, he will reset your password. Ram, you click on reset password and give.
Okay. Subbu.
Sweta, you are giving my ID, Sweta. Don't take Samsung.scm. I am using that. That is my ID.
Okay, sir. Sorry. I'll do it. Like
Yeah,
that's
don't
what
use that. I already reset this user. Okay, so you create your own. Don't play with my username. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, guys. So let us continue with our course. Now we are good to. I logged in with what user it is. My Samsung user is Sairam. Okay, let me log out and log in with my username now. Sign out. This is scm.ram. Welcome at the rate 1, 2, 3. Oi, what happened? Ram.scm. That is the wrong ID. Ram.scm. Welcome at the rate 1, 2, 3. Samsung.scm. Welcome at the rate 1, 2, 3. Okay, so side by we can also open the Pawan. So all my IDs set back. This happen again, I'm telling you, it's happen in real time. Okay, so let me continue with our topic. Wait, already 15 minutes we have lost. Okay, so we are in inventory. So far we completed 2 controls. That is locator control and lot control. Now we can see the revision control. Revision control is very small thing. Okay, revision control. So revision control means the item will be same, but we do small changes. Small changes we do. So I used to take an example of Pulsar 150cc. So whenever you say that you have a Pulsar 150cc, immediately you will ask, which is the make year? Is it 2025 or 2024 or 2023? Like that you will ask. So Pulsar 150C item remains same. The same item code, everything will be there. But based on make year or based on some revision, every year there are small changes. So for that, they don't want to change the item code, but they want to create item revision. Each revision wise, how many such items I have. That is the case. That is the case. Understand, right? Revision is item code will be same, but there are small changes that they will do. For that, they don't want to create new item. For the same item, they want to maintain some revision numbers. That is the main ask. Clear, right?
Yes, Subbu.
Yeah.
Yes.
Let us create an item. So we go to the product management. So we go to product management. So I'm in ROM user. ROM is going to create a this one item.
So there will be option to select the revision 0, revision 1.
Correct. So first of all, let us see the revision number, how it starts. So that revision number we usually will give at organization parameters. So you go to the setup and maintenance. You can go to the facilities. You can go to the manage inventory organization. So our organization is S001, for example, or always will go with S004 because we have all the controls. So here manage our inventory or manage organization parameters. So here lot, serial, and packing, and you can see here starting revision start with 0. It starts with 0. Then you can get 1, 2, 3 like that, or you can give 2021 something. You can give anything, A, B, C, D, or 1, 2, 3. However you want, you can give it. This is the revision number. Okay. This is the control, how we want to start your numbering. How you want to start your numbering is the control here.
Usually, this is controlled by either engineering team at the
Yeah,
product.
we usually get that, while setting up, we will kind of a consultant, right? So we'll ask questions like,
Got it.
okay,
Okay.
revision
Okay.
numbers need to be start, how we want to start. So they
Understood.
can able to enter the number, or, then we can able to set that. Okay. So now we can go back to Krishna login and we'll ask him to create an item. So he's going to create item. He's going to create item. We will go to organization, that S0003. So we can create at a time 99 items. If we keep 99, we can create 99 items. To be frank, I never tried. Okay, we can create 99 items. Okay, at a time with the same combination. Click on OK. So yes. So let me create an item with revision control. I am not giving any code. I will say like revision item. Revision control testing. Okay. So I'm going to give active. This time I'm giving any active. So I'm going to each. So save. Now you know how to create your items. So go to association. The revision control must be at org specific, because one organization we will follow the this one organization specific. Sorry, one organization we follow revision, another organization we might not follow. So most of the time we will control that organization level. Save. Now click on the S004 where we are doing the transactions. Under specification, under inventory, there is a revision enabled. Revision enabled. So where is it? In the main section only. Reservable we have. I think it should be inventory only. Inventory, stockable, transactable, reservable, revision control.
Revision control.
Yeah. This one not good. My eyes are not fetching this. So revision control, we need to be set yes. Save. Save. So when you set the revision control, so we can set it here also, revision, it will start giving you what revision this is. This revision is different, okay? The revision you are seeing, it is different. We do the changes on this item, complete changes, change order revisions and all. That time we will get this revision. When you do the transaction, this is my HTML cable is very good.
It's initial approval, it will show 0. If there is any made changes, it will go revision.
Correct. That is for item level change orders will create. The change orders will do that.
Yeah,
Okay.
in PO also we can see
Yeah, exactly. Similar to that. So I set the revision control yes. Now we are good to start the transaction. So now we will be with RAM login. So click on main. Go to the supply chain execution, inventory management. Rita Madam Divya following, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Click on the task browser. So create miscellaneous transaction. Yes, 004 is the organization. Click on OK. So select the miscellaneous type. Miscellaneous receipt. Sorry. Miscellaneous receipt. Item cost is yes. Selecting the account code combination. Search. Selecting the first one. Click on plus. Enter your number, that is revision control enabled. And directly searching is the problem. REVISAON revision search. Click on OK. So now you will see this got enabled. Before it was not asking. Now you can give 0. Okay. So while doing transactions, you can give 1, something like that. It will next revision it will ask. See, the moment I give revision, then only the supplementary got enabled. Clear, right? Before there is no revision. Okay, let us give some supplementary. Let's suppose Ravan. So it's a locator control. We can enter locator search. We can give any of the bin. This is not a locator control, right? Sorry, lot control. Okay, pretty much everything is done. Now let us try to create one more transaction for the same item. One only. Let us create first and then we will try to come back and see the new revision is generating or not. Submit. Okay, transaction process. Now let me create new one, another one for the same item. Miscellaneous receipt. Yes. Search. Okay. Search. Then let us give 1. It is not taking. So it should increase by 1. Some reason we are not able to increase. Always it is going by 0. So that we need to increase from organization parameters. Let me increase and come back. So here starting revision 01. Save and close. And then from inventory item, so sorry, with the RAM, so let us create revision. Sorry, we need to create revision from item level. So from item, so we need to go back to S04. We selected the revision control, right? That is revision control enabled for this item in the inventory. So now we need to generate a revision numbers. So from here, we need to generate from action. You can enter revision. So manage revisions. So here you need to create new revision. So new revision number you can give. Okay. So here, so I will give 01. Okay. New revision. So here we need to see, so cost reduction, plan relate something. Okay. Plan release date. So we are going to say, so ensure that this date is whatever date you are seeing, no, it should be more than this time. Otherwise, it won't accept. Otherwise, it won't accept at all. So it will take only, see, it won't go backdated. See, 235, 240, it won't go backdated. Always be in the future date. Okay. Effective start date. So like this, we can create a multiple revisions. So it should be always future date. Like that, we need to create under manage revisions. We need to create the revisions. Under manage revisions, you need to create the revisions. Okay, now let us try the transaction. Create miscellaneous transaction. Miscellaneous receipt. Yes. Search. Let us observe the other revisions are coming or not. Okay. Search. Select revision. So now you can see 2 revisions are coming. So there if you can define and you come back and you create the transaction. Only after enter revision, it will ask you to enter sub-inventory. Once you enter sub-inventory, it will ask you to enter the locator. Once you enter the locator, it will ask you to enter the lot. Once you enter the lot, then it will ask you to enter the serial. It was that route, that sequence. Manage item quantities. So you can search with revision. Click on submit. So if you explore first item, see item under there are revision, 2 revisions. This is the revision there in this organization, and it is there in this sub-inventory, and it is there in this locator. We didn't have any lot, so then we are good. Simply click on view item availability. You can see the revisions got added. We have revision got added. This is about revision control. Any doubt on this? If no doubt, we can move to
No, sir.
next one. No doubt, we are going to move to next one. Okay, that is serial control. Very important. Very important serial controlling. Okay. Next is serial control. So serial control uniquely identifying a number. So when you go in, you buy a mobile. So if you give a mobile, they are asking to give some serial numbers. Or if you buy a laptop, they'll ask you to tell me your serial number. So that is very important. So to uniquely identify your example, serial number example in industry. If you take an example of serial numbers, so you will see likewise. Similar to recognize what item it is. If you say, I have a Dell laptop, okay? Dell Latitude 720 something. They have thousands of laptops. In that, what is the laptop that you buy? They will have a serial number. See, like this. The better example. So if you take this HP Pavilion, there is a serial number. This is the item code. HP Pavilion P600. This is the product number. This is the item code. But this is the serial number. Once you give this serial number, then they will understand, okay, this is who bought this. And they can do the service and all. They can do the service and extra things they will do. Clear? This is how we are going to generate a serial number, where we can able to use the serial number, where you want to generate the serial numbers, etc. We will do. So now we'll go to the Samsung user under S04 organization. Here under lot serial, we have a serial section. This is the serial section. So uniqueness, what we see the uniqueness here for lot? Only 2. Across item and no unique control. When you come to serial number, uniqueness will have 4 types. So unique across organization, unique within inventory item, unique within model and inventory item, unique within the organization. So what does this mean? If you create one item and one serial number, that serial number is in your business. How many organizations you have? All organizations you going to have for that time same serial number. You cannot create that serial number for any other item. You cannot create that serial number for any other item if you enable this. So if it within the See, that is across organization. So within unique within inventory items. So that means we have item to be created. Okay, that item uniquely recognized within that particular item wise. So it is okay to give different item, same serial number also. But same item you cannot give the same serial number. It won't allow. Okay, it's already created. You cannot create same serial number again and again. So unique within the model. And model means it's a finished good that we manufacture. Finished good. Okay. With the finished good, we'll have a components. So that components again nothing but our items. So how we want to maintain inventory item and model also uniquely you need to identify. Unique within organization. That means single organization only you are uniquely maintained. When you go to other organizations, you can able to maintain same serial number for different items. Okay, same serial number for different. Most of the companies will go with this route. Unique within model and inventory item. Okay. So where you want to generation? Again, we have a generation method, right? User defined at organization level, at user defined. Okay. So here we have same at item level, at organization level, user defined. But when you go to the lot generation at item level, we need to select the option. I will show you that. For example, at organization we are keeping prefix. I am going to say yes 004. Yes 004. It starts with the starting serial number. I'll say that 001. Okay, system selected serial number in case automatically system select serial numbers. This will use for automatically allocation of the material. This we can see during the picking process and all. Now it's not required. So this is the first setup. We say uniqueness should be within the model and inventory item. Generation, we have 3 levels at organization level, at item level and user defined. For now, I am selecting at organization level. So when we are generating serial numbers, we need to pass this prefix and running number. So accordingly, the serial numbers will be generated. Okay. Then save and close. Now let us Pawan create a new item. Save and close. So Pawan going to create a new item. Create item. Yes, 000. Click on OK. Say yes. So I'm going to select serial 1. Serial 1. Serial number generation. Serial number generation at organization level. Okay. So active, each. So I'm going to save. I'm going to association. I'm going to assign to all organization S00, sorry, S00 and such. Will get all. Apply, done, save. Go to the organization where you do the transaction. Go, click on S004. So now here under specification, under inventory, here is the serial section. Okay. This is very important setup. This is very important. Generation, we have 5 types we have. No serial number, that means we are not following the serial control. Even though generation method is selected at organization level, if you say no serial control at item level, you cannot able to create. Then we have predefined serial number, dynamic entry at receipt, at sales order, transfer or order issue, at inventory pick. Okay, at inventory pick. So, okay, light shot. So these are the screenshot taking tool. Okay, Control P. Oh, sorry. Print. Okay. So in this, when you are selecting the serial control, no control, then you are not going to know serial number generation for item. When you select predefined, when we talk about predefined, okay, first we need to generate the serial number and use it. When it is predefined serial numbers, you need to first generate the serial numbers and use it in the transaction. So when you are going with dynamic entry at receipt, so when we do any receipts like miscellaneous receipt, then we also do PO receipts, any receipts, then you can pass any serial number it will take. Okay, when it is dynamic entry at inventory receipt. For these two, we no need to enter any serial numbers first. When we are doing the sales order issue or transfer order or work order issue, when you are doing these transactions, then you can enter the serial numbers. These two process, and we have inventory picking. Inventory picking means when we are doing move order, right? Move order, there is a confirm pick slips. That time you will be able to trigger the serial number. Let us start first with predefined serial number, then dynamic entry, then we will see the inventory picking. These two we need to wait. This one we need to wait because we need other modules help also. Okay, sales order we need a order management. Transfer order also we take purchasing and order management help. Work order issue we'll take the WIP module help. Okay, that is the thing that we need to do. Okay, let us go and execute the first one. How I am going to say predefined serial number. Okay, so it is, even though it is organization level we selected for S004 only, right? But still it is expecting at item level as well. The serial number is at organization level only work at the time of generate serial number. If you click, then it will pick the organization level. So let us see, we can give at item level also, like yes, item, starting number will say 0031. Save. You following, right? Save and close.
Yes.
Okay. So now to generate the serial number, we need to run a program. Now we successfully define all this. But now if you want to generate a serial number, you need to run a program. So that we are going and we need to copy the exact item code. Then otherwise it won't work. I can go with wrong login, or I can see here manage serial numbers, where once we generate, we can see that. So we can go to tools and we can schedule process. We can schedule a new process. I am trying to run from ROM. If ROM is not able to create, then we can run from Pawan. Question Pawan. So here I am searching with serial, generate serial numbers. Generate serial number. This is the program. Generate serial number. You click on OK. It will ask you for which organization. S004. He has a control. What is the item? Okay, this is the item. How much quantity? Let's suppose I want 100 quantity. We are going to increase. For example, so click on submit. Say OK. Then system will generate the serial numbers. This is because we select previously defined. This is case to case. If we are manufacturing, then we will use our own serial numbers. So if you are going to get from another supplier, then whatever supplier gives serial numbers, we will use it. Now let us do the transaction. Going to the inventory management. Then going with the inventory. So click on create miscellaneous transactions. Select miscellaneous receipt. Item cost, yes. Select the account code combination. Okay, and give your item, that is serial 1. Okay. Search. You got your item. See, enter your sub inventory. This is not a revision control. That's why it is not expecting to give, revision number. Search. Selecting first one. So now we are going to give maybe from 50 quantity, for example. Okay, see, it is asking serial numbers. So for that, you need to go record lots or serial number, or from action, record lots or serial number. Any of these two places we need to go. So here you enter serial number one by one. If you click on enter serial number, you can find our serial numbers. Search, whatever we created, right? It will show. See? S004. From where it is coming? It came from organization level. Because we selected the generation method at organization level. Even though we passed at item level, it don't pick. It has been selected the serial number generation at organization level, the same got picked. If you entered one by one, what happened? You need to enter 50 times. See, now 50 total you need to enter, remaining is 49. So that many numbers you need to enter. Okay. So if you select serial numbers, you can able to select how many you want. Okay. You cannot select all serial number because there are more serial numbers. Okay. Then what is the right approach? You can go by range. If you select first serial number, system automatically pick the running sequence number. How much? If it is in sequence 50, it will pick 50. If it is sequence is some 20, it will pick till 20. After 20, you need to pick again from serial number. The quantity automatically comes. If you select first one, it automatically pick 51. It automatically pick 51. Clear? If you click on OK, then submit, then it will create the transaction. Now you go and verify your on-hand quantities, manage item on-hand quantities. You enter your item, that is serial 1. Search. Now if you click on view quantity by item, submit how you want it, just click on search. So now if you can drill down further, you will see the organization and you can see the sub inventory, you will see the locator, and you can see the list of serials. If you click here, if you click on serial number details, it will give all the serial numbers. See, it will give all the serial numbers. Just enter, that's all. Okay, so that way we can able to drill down further. Drill down what are all the serial numbers we have in this. If you see view item already, you will see 50, but you cannot able to show all the serial numbers. That's why we are entering here in the down. Clear? 50 serial numbers. So here, now how we have managed this one lot. Similarly, we also have a manage serials. If you go to manage serials, numbers, you can see the genealogy of number, when it has been came. So how many? Now if you observe one thing, search. See here, This item we generated and reside into store. That means the stock is available in our place. We generated the serial number and this serial number also received. That means the stock is there in our warehouse. Where it is under this sub-inventory, this located. Okay. But if you see the serial number which is after 50, if you see defined but not used, that means we created the serial number, but there is no stock for that because we just generate the number. Following, right? Manam serial numbers ni ఆర్గనైజేషన్ లెవెల్లో చెప్పాము, ఈ నంబర్ జనరేషన్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్ లెవెల్లో తీసుకో అని చెప్పి. ఓకేనా? అలాగే ఐటమ్ లెవెల్లో మనకి 5 ఉంటాయి. నో కంట్రోల్, ఏమంటారు, ప్రీ స్పెసిఫైడ్, లేదంటే జనరేట్ సీరియల్ నెంబరు, మాన్యువలీ, లైక్ ఈ 5 ఉంటాయి. నో సీరియల్, ప్రీ డిఫైన్డ్ సీరియల్ నెంబరు, డైనమిక్ ఎంట్రీ, ఎంట్రీ అట్, ఇలా మనకు 5 ఉన్నాయి. దీంట్లో మనం ఫస్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం, అది ప్రీ డిఫైన్డ్ సీరియల్ నెంబర్. దానికోసం మనం జనరేట్ సీరియల్ నెంబర్స్ అనే ప్రోగ్రామ్ రన్ చేసాం. జనరేట్ సీరియల్ నెంబర్ అనే ప్రోగ్రామ్ రన్ చేసాం. రన్ చేసేప్పుడు మన ఐటమ్ పాస్ చేసి మాకు 100 సీరియల్ నెంబర్ జనరేట్ చెయ్యి అని చెప్పాం. చేశాక మనం 50 క్వాంటిటీ రిసీవ్ చేసుకున్నాం, 50 రిసీవ్ చేసుకోలేదు. సో రిసీవ్ చేసుకున్న క్వాంటిటీకి స్టేటస్ ఏం చూసాం, రిసైడ్ ఇంటూ స్టోర్స్ అని చూసాం. అంటే ఆ స్టాక్ మన వేర్ హౌస్లో ఉంది, ఆ సీరియల్ నెంబర్ మన వేర్ హౌస్లో ఉంది, అంటే స్టాక్ ఉంది అని దానికి. సో ఏదైతే స్టాక్ రిసీవ్ లేదో దానికి డిఫైన్డ్ బట్ నాట్ యూజ్డ్ అని ఉంది. దానికి ఏంటి, స్టాకు ఆ ఐటమ్కి లేదు, ఇంకా వీటికి స్టాక్ రిసీవ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు, ఈ సీరియల్ నెంబర్ని మనం లింక్ చేసుకోవచ్చు వచ్చే ఐటమ్కి అని దాని అర్థం. ఓకే, అండర్స్టాండ్, రైట్?
Yes.
Okay, great. So next one, we are going to deal with predefined serial number is over. Now you guys understand. Now dynamic entry at inventory receipt. Dynamic entry at inventory receipt. So while doing this, we can do all transactions so that we can see everything is pop up. So now what scenario I am doing is, my item going to be locator control. Then my item going to be revision control. Then my item going to be lot control. We'll try to give grade also. It's a grade is very small thing. Grade control, it is there or not, we'll verify also. Then we have Samsung lot control. Okay. So we'll try to put everything for one item and we'll test that. Okay, that is dynamic entry allowed. Dynamic entry allowed. Let me remove these things. What is it? Hide floating window. Transcript. Okay, where it is. Okay, fine. So let us go ahead and create new item. So I am going to create item from here. Save and close. Save and close. And not. And delete. Clear all drawings. Okay. Click on create item. Give your organization code. Yes, 000. Okay. Say yes. So give your item like serial 2. All controls testing. So we are going to active, we are going to give active, we are going to use the unit of measure, we are going to save it, we are going to association, we are going to assign to all our child organization by passing S00. Say click on done and go ahead and save it. Now go ahead and S004. So this item, first thing it is going to specific revision control. I'm going to action, manage revision. So before that, let me enable revision control. Inventory. This item is a revision control. Yes. Save. So I'm going to say now manage revisions. I'll add one more revision. So this is the first revision. I'm going to create another revision. So that is 02 because now see revision starts with 01. So that's fine. I'm going to give future date. Click on OK. Save and close. Revision number entered. Next, we are going to say the item is lot controlled. Full lot control. So this lot also I'm giving expiry date. For example, user defined expiry. Okay. Now this item is grade control. See, this is the grade control. Say yes, this is the grade control item. Default grade, A grade, B grade, this will have. The list of values will be there. Advance does not contain Subbu. Let's see, anything is coming up. Oh, it's not there. Let me see. Any setup we have. Manage grade. We usually pass A grade, B grade like that. Manage grade. Yeah, manage grades. So search, is there anything? Oh, name, nothing is there. Click on plus. Create. Oh, grade details. Why this and all we have common set? This is kind of a job related grades, not a product grades. That is different grades. This is the manage lot grades. Sorry. Manage lot grades. This is the action. మామ మామ కనుక్కున్నా మామ అక్కడ అత్త వందన వాళ్ళ మామనని తాతనని అంటుంది కదా. తెలుసు తెలిసింది మామ. ఆల్రెడీ పెట్టేసింది. హుషారుగా ఉందిలే అమ్మాయి. ఏం కాదు మామ, ఇది ఈజీగా నేను చేస్తాలే. ఓకే మామ. After long time they called. I can't say simply I'm busy. Okay, sorry for that. Are you there?
Yes.
So now I assign the grade also. You know, we did the setup like manage lot grades. Manage lot grades. The lot we are producing, what standard the lot? Is a top grade or the average? For defining that purpose, we use this lot grades. Clear, right, so far? So we define this setup. Now I am going to say serial number, dynamic entry address sheets. Dynamic entry address sheet. Whatever we pass, the system will take that receipt number. Sorry, serial number. So it's no need to define before. Assuming that these serial numbers are given by the suppliers. So save. So we have a serial, we have a lot, we have a revision, we have a grade, we have a locator. So save and close. So save and close. So now we'll ask Ram to perform the transaction by going to create miscellaneous transaction. So miscellaneous receipt. Yes. search for your account, select your account, click on plus, enter your ACA item. So search, select your account, sorry, item. So this is the revision control. That's why it is not allowing to enter the sub-inventory immediately. You select the revision first. Then I will enable you to select a sub-inventory. Selecting the sub-inventory, then I am allowing you to enter your locator. After you enter the quantity, I will allow you to enter the locators and lots. Okay, but sometimes quantity I am enabling. Permission. So 10 quantity. So now we want to generate the lots. So for that, you can go to record lots and serial numbers. Here, you click on plus. So if you enable lot numbers user generated at organization parameters, if you generate lot, it will automatically give. If it is user defined, you need to pass the lot number. Let us try to click on generate lot. So we set up manual. So that is user defined. Now you need to pass the lot. So lot, I will say that yes, lot 01, something like that I give it. If this is as an expiration control, I'm going to give 1 year. So here by default, it is selected the grade. So for example, total 10 quantity, right? So I select 5 is a A grade. I can click on one more class, yes lot 02, the expiry date, I can give 1 year, but this is B grade. Based on our quality check, whatever we are giving, okay, grade wise. Okay. So now we want to enter the serial numbers. So now you can click on anywhere of this under this lot. So you can enter serial number by range or serial number by one by one. So if I go serial number and one by one, for example, sorry, I'll go by range. I'll go by enter by range. If I go here, if I say ABC, it will take only one. It won't take more than whatever serial numbers. If I take enter serial number, if I take ABC01, it will automatically take 5 because it ending with number and we select the range. Okay, if we take enter serial numbers like 05 ABC, it won't take, it will be 1 only. So if it is ending with number and if you take the number is range, then automatically it will take. If it is, let me cancel this. And let me cancel, for example, total 10 point I am giving. So if I go to enter range, so if I give 1, it will take till 9 only. It won't go 10 automatically because I gave you a single number. So if I give 0 number, if I give 01, then it automatically take the 10 also. You're following, right? How the serial numbers are picking.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Other people, I am hearing only Rajshekhar and Ram. I want to hear you, rest all the people also.
Based on from serial number,
No,
the integers, it will be
Rajshekhar, fine.
like if you give 01, it will.
You understand, fine. Remaining people I am asking. Kaushik, Divya,
Yes, understood, Subbu.
you're following, right? What I am doing.
Yes.
Okay. So I am going to keep it same back again. Yes, lot 01. So expiry date. Okay, we'll go. See, whenever two lots here, the serial number also change count 5 only. So S lot 1 enter serial number range. I will say S serial, S4 serial. I'll say S4 serial 01. So it automatically pick. Next one, enter serial number range. S4 serial 06. It automatically 10 at 10. Okay. So we entered grade also, lot also, serial also. Click on OK. You do not have enough serial numbers. The serial numbers entered match lot quantity. What is that not matching? So here we have 5. Here we have 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Enough, right? Click on OK. You have not enough serial numbers. What is the serial number we selected? And under SGO4 specification, we went to inventory. We select dynamic entry at receipt only. So it should pick that receipt numbers. Okay, anything okay? Expiration dates we pass. S lot. Oh, because this is missed actually. Enter serial number range. That is the problem. S4 serial 01. So now it will pick. Okay, submit. Okay. So now go back and review completed transaction, or you can say the manage item quantities. You can search with review completed transaction also. How the transaction has been created. Click on search. Today transaction. All we will get under S004. This is the all control testing. Just click on this transaction ID. Transaction. You can see here everything. Sub-inventory locator. 10 quantity. So we receive through miscellaneous receipt by using this combination. So here, if you click on view lot and serial, here it will show. Okay, we received two lots, lot 01, lot 02. So lot 01 have 5 quantity, lot 02 has 5 quantity, lot 01 is A grade, lot 02 is a B grade. So lot A has 5 items, S4 serial 012, S4 serial 5. Lot S lot 02 has serial number from S06 to S010. Like that, you can see the information. Now let us go and verify your item on hand quantity. Manage item quantities. You can give your item code, search, select and click on OK and search it. Now you can explore. See, it has a lot details, it has the item, all will get it. Item, that is the revision. Division is there in this organization. This organization have a sub-inventory raw1 and this have a locator, and this locator will have lots, lot 1 and lot 2. Okay, so all will be there. If you click on view item availability, you can see the details here. Okay, pretty much all the details we get. The remaining details you can see in the downside, the lot details. So here, lot details, this is the lot and this is the grade and this is the expiry date. Under this lot, if you click on serial numbers, you will find the serial numbers. Directly it won't, you just need to press search, enter. Then it will get it. Then you will get it. If some of the information is not there, you can click on show all, it will show remaining missing information. Okay, clear, right? This is the serial number controlling. This is the serial number controlling. So the remaining control, we can see the other transaction time. So now we can say that we are good with inventory control. The second concept of inventory controls, we are completed. We are completed with inventory control. Now we'll jump into inventory planning method. inventory planning method. So next 3-4 classes we'll wind up the inventory module. Okay, clear, right? Inventory planning method. Okay, this we can start after break. So I will stop here. We'll continue after break. I will keep you posted at timing, maybe after 1 hour. Clear, right?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, yeah, it looks many of you not practicing. If you don't practice, it is very difficult. Okay? For you to scale up or getting things.